Well, hello everybody. My name is Jimmy Lancaster. I'm the Chief Product Officer over at 365 Connect. I know some of y'all came to the talk Harry and I had earlier on integrations, so you already know I'm a software developer and you know my feelings on integrations and multifamily. A little bit about 365 Connect. We are 21 years old. We're young, however you want to look at that. We have 98 technology awards, which I think is a testament to our dedication to innovation and not settling for the status quo. For those of y'all that might not know too much about 365 Connect, I'll go ahead and just run through some of the highlights. We are the first platform to have a third party come certify our entire platform. We actually conform with WCAG 2.2. We're probably the only company that does. We also recently came out with a feature that allows us to comply with the Junk Fee Act, but all at the marketing level, application level, and lease signing level. So we're also probably one of the first ones to automate a Blue Moon. We can deliver those with no human involvement, which is pretty cool. And then as far as I know, we're probably the only ones that have automated SEO by leveraging AI. I'd love to go into all this detail on each of these things, but Patrick said I have 5 minutes, so I'm going to keep this thing moving. So speaking of time, racing against the clock. Doesn't it feel like we're always racing against the clock to try to ensure our communities are leased? And some of the things that we're working against are vacant units, move-outs, skipped evictions, or on-notice units. And obviously, all this stuff, contributes to our average time on market, which is essentially lost money. And so the good news is that we have built some stuff to help combat that. So here at the Multifamily Innovation and AI Summit, we are launching our latest product, UnitRev AI. So UnitRev AI is an AI-powered analyzer that helps you market your community and keep on top of vacancies. And it does that by looking at your available units. It looks at those on-notice units and some of your historical leasing data to help you better market your communities and stay on top of vacancies. So I know what you're wondering. That sounds cool, but how do you help me do that? So just hold on, let me click. All right. So what we do is we leverage AI to help create marketing content, and then through that marketing content that is generated through AI, we distribute it to all of your social media channels, as well as any type of search profiles that you have. One of the cool things about letting robots do this type of work is that they can make decisions in real time, seconds before it goes out the door. It can also do things like refresh your stories every 24 hours, which I don't know about y'all. I'm not a huge fan of sitting at a computer just hitting a refresh button. So having things that just go out the door like that, I'm all about it. Now, we understand that you can't just sit there hammering the fact that you have these 2-bedroom units that you need to fill, or maybe those specials that you're running for the month. So what UnitRev will do is it'll look at your amenities, and then it will craft content around those amenities and promote those reasons that you want people living at your community, or the things that they might want to live at your community for. It's also smart enough to do things like incorporate your branding assets or leverage those images that you have as for your community. Now, an interesting note is if you look at the images there, all that is generated with AI. There's no human involvement. As a matter of fact, I would say there were no humans traumatized in the making and posting of that content. So, if this is something that interests you, feel free to reach out to me. Come see me here at the showcase. Also, feel free to visit us at 365connect.com where you can request a demo. I will be the one that will jump on that demo and walk you through this process and the things that go on here and how we go about doing this. And so, but beyond that, I went too fast. Well, and if you think we're done, we actually are continuing to evolve this. So soon, we will be able to deliver, we'll be able to automate concessions, and we'll be able to automatically do, I already forgot my turn. See what happens when you pass the slide up. So anyway, stay tuned. There's more things in store. All right, thank you.